A tremendous atmosphere in the Nou Camp Stadium, but certainly not on the field, because Barcelona's Hristo Stoichkov was missing, not injured, but disciplined and banned for 2 weeks by Johan Cruyff, although it does look like he's only going to miss the one game, because next week there are no games in the Spanish First Division because of the big Spain-Belgium European Championship match on Wednesday week. Well, the Nou Camp Stadium was a mass with flags and emotion, despite the fact that Barcelona have been beaten in the European Champions League in a thriller by Paris Saint-Germain in Paris last week. They had an early chance through Corneille, but Zubizarreta, of course, who'd been one of the heroes in his spells for Barcelona, certainly having no problem. This was to be a fairly tough match for Barcelona, as certainly Oleg Salenko should have scored, having been clean through and beaten Busquets. He couldn't believe it when he was denied. Well, chances at both ends, and Corneille was instrumental in setting up an opportunity here for Barcelona, but they couldn't create or utilise any of the openings they had, and Valencia came closest to scoring in many occasions. Fernando here embarrassing Busquets. It was always going to be a tight match, but the home supporters were to be disappointed. Fernando again involved. Koeman couldn't clear, and really Busquets was clearly exposed, and another opportunity went a-begging to Oleg Salenko. Into the second half, and Corneille, who tried a long-range curling shot, took a deflection and nearly embarrassed Zubizarreta as Barcelona tried to press home their advantage. The chances they got, they couldn't create. In the end, though, this was to be a disappointing result for Barcelona. No goals, and they slipped further behind arch rivals Real Madrid. Hadji trying his luck, but a brilliant save, this time from Zubizarreta, denying the Romanian international. Ronald Koeman with the free kicks, usually lethal. This was a tame effort that Zubizarreta can't have believed his luck when being able to catch it so cleanly. In the end, though, it was nearly Pena who stealed the points for Valencia. He should have scored here after being put clean through. In the closing stages, it was Valencia who looked much more likely to score, but Barcelona will be disappointed with dropping a point here, and Real Madrid now have a 5-point lead at the top of the table. Mijatovic nearly won it, 0-0, the right result.